I'm back. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing an engine air filter on a 2010 Ford Mustang. The engine air filter is located under the hood of the car on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Push the two tabs forward. Shift forward and raise up. Once you remove the tab stuff, open the box like this. Write the date right here. You should have opened that for me. Oh, I'll pick that up. I'm not littering. Put the date right here. Like that. Remove the old engine filter. And put it back in place. Once you're done, you have to make sure you put everything back. Put the lid, make sure you this time push back. And put the two forward, the two tab, put down, and put the two tab, push the two tabs back. Like so. And this has been another episode of How to Helen. My name is Brianna, and thank you for watching. How to Helen exposed. See, it's doing the work for me. And put it back in place. This has been another episode of How to Helen. I didn't actually push it back.
Alright, push it back so it makes the sound.
No, just do sound effects.